guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a video on my Need It, Thinking About It, or Passing on It series with all new makeup releases coming out. I'm sure you guys have seen these on other channels before, and I've done multiples of these. But especially with holidays, there's so much coming out in the makeup industry, and some of it intrigues me, some of it I'm like, meh, and some of it I'm like, ooh, I need that. And then, you know, others I'm like, get out of here. I don't need you. So today we are going to talk about all those things, some releases I have my eye on, all that good stuff. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. And let's go ahead and dive into this video. Oh, okay. I got my sweatpants. I didn't mean to show you the bottom of my foot, but I am like super comfortable. It feels so good. All right, my big comfy chair. Okay, so certain things I am thinking about are, one is the Huda Beauty concealer. It doesn't come out until October, but it has that like applicator on it that you see on usual like skincare, like that metal applicator that like depuffs. And so I thought that looked really interesting. I don't know how it will work to blend out concealer, which is why I'm still thinking about it. I'm not really sure about it. I do have a depuffer thing in my fridge. Sometimes they get lost in there. I don't know where it goes. I don't know. But I do use those and I do like them, and so far I really liked her setting powder. Her foundation is super full coverage, so I do think she'd come out with a really good concealer. The only thing I'm a little bit like, I don't know about that is, one, her products all have that floral smell. I wish she would get rid of that. I feel like everybody says it and I'm just like, just get rid of it. Like, why do you have to put it in there? Why? No. Like florals and me and just, they just, yeah, my face says it all. I don't like the floral scent. I don't like floral scented like anything really. Next up is the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katy collaboration. They are collaborating again. I believe that comes out on the 24th, so pretty soon. They just did their release video yesterday, and there were certain products, like the lip products, I definitely am interested in. I never purchased from their first collection, so let me know if you have any of those products, but I waited to see reviews on that, and it seemed like nobody was very like positive about the eyeshadow formulas in their little mini quad before, and now they're coming out with a whole palette, and the colors look really pretty. You guys know I love like rose golds and all that stuff, but why does there have to be another blue? If I'm going to purchase a Dose of Colors blue, I would go with the Dose of Colors Block Party shadow. You guys, I'm sick of the blue. Blue! It's blue! Like, I have it in so many different palettes now. It's a good color to have, but I don't need it in every single palette, and I feel like it's in every single palette. So that could just be me, but that's just how I feel. And the thing is, when I put it on my eyes, and then I love it. But I'm always just like, it's not the shade I would have wanted to see. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna wait for reviews on the collection to actually get any of it. I just don't feel comfortable spending the money when, you know, I didn't really love it the first time. So I would say between the collection, there's some lip products that I am definitely interested in getting. I am a lip junkie, and nudes, you know, you can never have too many, and there's always ones where you're like, but I just need it to be a little bit more of this, and I just need it to be a little bit more of that. I still haven't found my nude that I wear like every single day. I'm still like, out of the 100 I have, I'm still like, these aren't my perfect one. I still need something like this. I love a lot of them, but I'm still like, no, like I haven't found it yet. I'm still on the hunt. Never gonna find it. That's my opinion. I don't know. Two, I used to like, when I started watching YouTube, I used to think like I would watch all these YouTubers like Jaclyn Hill or like, you know, bigger YouTubers that have a paler skin tone, and then I would see a nude on them and I'd be like, I'm gonna buy that, that's perfect. And then I would try it on my skin tone and I'd be like, what was I thinking? Like, this does not look the same on me at all. So yeah, anyways, still on the hunt for those. Let me know some of your guys' favorite nudes. I would love to know. Too Faced Gingerbread palette. I almost got the lipstick last year and then it was sold out, and I did really like it, even though I already have like a lot of pumpkin colored lipsticks. So the collection, it looks really pretty. I love the eyeshadow palette that they came out with last year, the gold palette, And I did really love that palette, but I don't reach for it. I don't know why. It's just in one of my drawers that I just don't pick up very often. So I'm kind of like, do you really need this because you don't reach for the other one? So I'm still kind of thinking about it. Definitely not a no, but definitely not a I haven't ran out to go get it, you know? I got invited to that holiday edit because I spent way too much money at Sephora, so the Rouge thing, they sent out an email saying you could shop early, but, you know, I brought the Natasha Denona palette, so that was like my monthly budget for the most part. So that's like 8 months budget in one palette. So anyways, I think I'm gonna wait on that. Another thinking about it product is the Hourglass Unlocked palette. I think this looks super pretty. The only thing is I have a lot of these shades as singles. Part of me really wants to get it so that I have it all together, but it's 80 bucks, guys. That's a lot of money. And they have great products, and I would totally recommend it to anyone who doesn't already have some of them, but I'm like, I already do, so I don't need this. You don't need this. Say it with me, and maybe I'll you know, I'll believe it. And then also they always have super light colors. That's the one thing about Hourglass. I wish they would come out with deeper shades, because some of their palettes really do look really pretty, but I'm like, that's not necessarily that suitable for medium to dark. I always feel like it's more of a light to medium, in my opinion. Let's be positive and think, not positive. It's not really positive that I'm spending money, is it? But let's go into the need it section, which is things I plan on getting. I don't have much in this. I really only have one product that I'm like, I really want this. It is the Huda Beauty, the Precious Stones, the little mini eyeshadow palettes. All the palettes look super pretty. I'm still kind of deciding. I think I'm leaning towards the emerald one, which is kind of shocking because I don't usually reach for greens. But for some reason this palette just looks like something I don't have in my collection. The other ones are really pretty. I just am kind of like, I feel like I can pull different shades from different palettes and make those. But I think the appeal is that they're, one, affordable, they're 27 bucks. Two, I've heard really good things about most of them. I've heard some are hit and miss. So if you have them, let me know what you think of them. But I like the idea of like throwing it in your purse. I don't know why I say that though. Does anybody else like always get stuff and they're like, I'm gonna throw this in my purse? The only thing I throw in my purse are lip products, and if I throw an eyeshadow palette in there, I don't ever use it. It just lives there for a while and is forgotten. So I guess that's not really my point, is that I like that it's affordable more than anything else. Okay, passing on it, I have quite a few. Shocking, I know. But like I said, because I spent such a big amount of money on the Natasha Denona, I'm kind of like, had to really focus myself and be like, no, Stefania, you don't need these. So first pass is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I haven't bought a lot of her recent palettes. I just have colors that are so similar. I don't like that they do repeat shades. And then in this palette, it does have the cool tones and the gray, which I know that a lot of people love, and that's great. It's just not for me. So this is a palette that I will be passing on. I'm sure it's going to be a popular one, but the shades just aren't like anything I'm like jumping up and down about. The next thing I'll be passing on is the Kylie Cosmetics and Jordan collab. You know, I'm kind of hit or miss with Kylie products. I do own a lot, and I do actually enjoy a lot. And I have bought the last two palettes, and they've been great. Like, I actually really do like those. But this one, the color story isn't something that I am over the top. Nothing is like super standing out to me. And the lip products kind of just looks like, does anyone else feel like Kylie Cosmetics are kind of repeating a lot of the same shades? So I just don't need anything from that collection. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a bad collection. It's not making me sing inside like I cannot wait. All right, I got two more things on the passing on it section. Kat Von D is releasing her holiday collection, and unfortunately I I used to love Kat Von D products. One of the palettes, which I will dig out eventually for a video, I got it maybe 6 or 7 years ago, and it was like that little quad palette, and those were so pretty. It had shimmer shades in it, but it was the prettiest palette I feel like I'd ever seen. And my friend, I was like, I can never afford to buy that, and my friend actually bought it for me for my birthday, and I was like, I was obsessed with it. It was amazing, and I thought Kat Von D was gonna be like my favorite brand. And at the time, I didn't know anything about makeup, and I was like, this is gorgeous, and I'm gonna love everything from this brand. But I feel like the past few years, she's kind of taken a step back. That color wheel big palette that she had a few, like 3 or 4 years ago, like the La Vida Loca, I think is what it was called, was stunning, and I never picked that up. But ever since then, there really hasn't been anything from her brand as far as eyeshadows go that I am drawn towards. Like, I'm just kind of bored with her releases lately. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too harsh, but yeah, no, I don't know. I don't know what happened. What happened, Kat Von D? I could do a whole thing at Kat Von D. The whole water birth thing. Oh, no. No. That's no. Okay, and lastly, I am going to be passing on the KKW Cherry Blossom collection. This was actually released last week, and after seeing some of the shades swatched, I'm just kind of like, I think all of her palettes are pretty. They're just, I mean, they're all neutrals, which I completely understand because that is her signature look. But I felt like with the Cherry Blossom collection, I'm like, if someone told me Cherry Blossom collection, I'm just like, bright pinks, rose pinks, like, I obviously like pink, but when I saw it, I was just kind of like, yeah, it was just lackluster. Like, I was just like, I don't, like, come on, Kim, let's go. Like, put something out that's gonna make me want to buy your stuff, because I do want to, but you're not making it easy. Like, I'm just kind of, which is probably good because I'm broke. But yeah, I think her lipsticks are gorgeous. There's a few pretty colors in there, and I did just buy a few lipsticks from when she had the sale, and I am really enjoying those. But a lot of them look so many different hot pinks that I'm just like, you don't need that many hot pinks, you know? I have already too many. So that is another thing I will be passing on. Alright guys, that is it for my Need It, Thinking About It, and Passing on It series for today. And let me know what releases you guys are excited about, what you guys have your eye on, and then releases that you are also passing on, because I would like to know what you guys like and what you guys are not liking. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next, or if you guys want me to review any of the products I talked about. And ooh, I want to know the Huda Beauty Precious Stones, which ones you guys have your eyes on. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Kind of really think about what's going on with my hair constantly.